So when you talk about covalent bonding, you will see we have covalent bonding. This is the type of bonding which involves the sharing of electrons. So it occurs between metals, non-metals and non-metals. So now we want to ask, how do you tell that two or more atoms combine covalently? So the answer is that when you write the electronic configuration of atoms and you end with 5, 6, 7 for both atoms, then sharing of what? Electrons. What do we mean? Let us consider the formation of of hydrogen chloride. So when you write electronic configuration of hydrogen, it is 1. Then you write chlorine, it is 2 to 8 to 7. So when you check, hydrogen is having 1 electron to make 2. Even this one electron to make 8. And for hydrogen to be stable, having only 1 energy level should have 2 electrons in its outermost shell. Then this chloride having more than 1 energy level, then it should be having 8 electrons to be stable. So when you look at this chlorine and this hydrogen, they both lack 1 electron. So implying that, like when now we are looking at ionic compounds, we used an example of the canteen and the students. Still here we can use the same thing. For example, I can say we have 2 students. We have student A and student B. So student A wants to go to the canteen, as well as student B wants to go to the canteen. But this one is having 500, this one is having 700. So we may say that for these two to go to the canteen, like if it is a rule, we need 1200, then they come up share. So when they share, they will make 1200. So it is the same story that will happen here, such that when you hide this B, you count for this A will be 1200, and when you hide this, you count for student B will make 1200. So this therefore will take us to what? This is hydrogen with its 1 electron. Then we bring here so here I'm using dots, here I'm using a cross to make a difference. Now, when this hydrogen, this is chlorine, comes So they will come, like we shall end up with something